What I can see mostly nowadays is people going in the passenger seat. It is as if they were just walking around, being the supporting actor in other people's life. However, what is the most important thing that you should have into account in order to create your own film? Mostly, every single one of us has our own job during the day. And if you want to make a living, there is not another alternative. However, what do you usually do with your free time? Because this is the point when the main difference can be made. This is a point when you truly will be living in the passenger seat or in the driver's seat. Because in order to create your own film, you will need to be mindful about how you spend your time. So whatever you are doing right now, is it taking you one step closer to the kind of film that you would like to watch about yourself? What I'm saying is that you need to be intentional. And I'm really sorry to tell you this, but no one cares about your time as much as you do. So the question is, what path will you take from now on?